So I know I just told you to go watch Taylor Swift's new music video, and if you did, maybe you, like many other people, found it a bit problematic. What's up, y'all? It's Emile Ennis Jr. here with Clevver News, and a lot of people are saying that Taylor Swift needs to calm down with the stereotypes in her new song, You Need to Calm Down. So while all Swifties were loving this music video, there were a lot of people hating on the music video as well. The haters call her newfound allyship forced and unnatural, with some people saying the fact she really depicted anti-LGBT protesters as hicks. Many are very privileged people in high places. Or, I try to think that it's purely intended, but I can't help but think it's your classic let's crack out a rainbow for Pride Month stuff. But on a Taylor Swift level, that means getting queer people to be set dressing. But, to be fair, the queer people in the video are all Team Taylor. Haley Kiyoko said, "My dream of being Orlando Bloom as Legolas came true. Thank you, Taylor Swift. You don't know what this means." And Bobby Burke said, "So much fun filming with this angel." And they're not the only stars speaking out on behalf of Taylor. One part of Tay's old squad, Gigi Hadid, said, "The first time I saw it, I actually cried. So many important messages shown, so creatively and with so much love." And Nina Dobrev said, "I'm so glad," I see what you did there, "Taylor Swift made this song an incredible music video. Sign the petition here." Now, at the end of the video, Taylor did give a link where you can go and sign a petition for Senate support of the Equality Act, which advocates for the safety of LGBT people in work and in public. So I mean, if anything, Taylor certainly gave some publicity to queer stars who usually fly under the mainstream media radar, like Tatiana, Trinity the Tuck, Jade Jolie, Akira Davenport, and the rest of the drag queens portraying different pop stars. Or even Justin Makita, Jesse Tyler Ferguson's husband, who runs 2 businesses that give back to the homeless and the LGBTQ+ community. So yes, maybe Taylor Swift might have been pandering to gays a little bit because she knows it will generate sales, but at the same time, she's putting her money where her mouth is and doing a lot more for the community than most other artists of her caliber. So I have to hear from you guys. Do you think that Taylor's depictions of anti-LGBTQ people was a bit tone deaf? Was it all about the money for Taylor? Or do you think that she does actually care as much as she's leading on? Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. Then of course, be sure to subscribe to Clevver and click that bell so you never miss a single thing, and give this video a big old thumbs up, and then click right over here to watch even more entertainment news. Thanks for hanging out with me here at Clevver, guys. I'm Emile Ennis Jr., and I'll see you next time.